Okay, now we're going to work on setting up the fonts that we downloaded. This font we downloaded, we're going to focus on setting it up with our project, right? But first of all, let's go back to our Google Fonts, where we downloaded our Google Font from. Now, these are different types of fonts from the Inter family, right? Now, in order to use the different types of fonts inside the Inter family, like the thin, extra light, they are differentiated by their weight. So we have thin, the font weight is 100, extra light 200, light 300, regular 400, medium 500, and so forth and so on. So this is what distinguish one font from another, right? So let's go back to our project. Now. In order to do the setup for our font, we have to go to type.kt. Right. Now, we're going to come here, give some spacing, and let's write. I like writing. I like documenting so that people understand. So I'm going to write defining font. Right. I'm going to write var Inter family, because that is the family of fonts. Inter, then family. I'm bad at spelling. Okay, so font family. Nice. So we're gonna put font, right? Gonna say r.font dot okay, what's going on? We have to import font. Which of the font are we importing? 100x, okay. Let's import 100x UI font, and R, you have to import R too. Okay, so it's going to be Inter. So we'll go with the first one here, Inter Black. So in order to use Inter Black, the font weight of Inter Black is, the font weight of Inter Black, let's see, where are you? Inter Black is 900, so it's going to be, the font weight of Inter Black is going to be font weight dot w, which is in capital letter, W900, right? So we're going to put a comma, and we're going to say font. The next one we're going to go for is Interbold. So let's say r.font.interbold. So what's the font weight of Interbold? 700. So we're going to come in and say font weight of W700. So we're going to just continue the process like that. So extra bold, extra light. Extra bold is 800. Extra light is 200. 800 and 200. Okay, we have light, medium, so I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste a medium, light first before medium. I'm going to have medium, regular, semi-bold, and we have thin, and we have thin. Okay, so light, medium, okay, light is 300, thin is 100, Light is 300. Thin is 100. Medium regular. Regular is 400. Medium is 500. Right? Yes. Okay. So regular is 400. Medium is 500. Semi-bold. Semi-bold is 600. So semi-bold is 600. Yes. Okay. So we finished the first, that is defining the font. So the next stage would be to set up the typography, right?